Greetings, greetings, greetings. Me have one serious question for you today. God pick you? God call you? Listen to that warrior and tell me what you think. And if you want to reach out to me, if you talk to me more about it, you can find out how to reach me in the description box. Yeah. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you want to get the reading them every morning 5 o'clock, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 22 from verse 1 to verse 14. Then Jesus chat to them again. I use story we sound like wriggle. This is what him say. You did have one king who for boy pitney did I go get married. So him did a sort out one big dinner for him boy. And a this God kingdom come in like. When a time now for the dinner, the king sent his servant them to call all who him did invite. But them wouldn't come. So him sent some other servant. Hear him now? Tell all who me did invite, say, look here now. The big dinner we me did a fix up funo, it ready now. Me take out me nicest bull cow and me special cow when me make get big and fat so them woulda eat good. And them me kill and everything ready now. Come at the wedding dinner. But they never went and take him on at all. And they left go away, said we. Some got them farm, some did have business to take care of. The rest of them hold on pan his servant them. Them beat them up and kill them off. The king begs can't done. So he sent out him soldier them. And the soldier them kill off the old murderer them and burn down them town. Then him said to him servant them, the wedding ready, but who me invite not fit for come. So go on out of the main road and tell all who you see out there to come at the wedding dinner. And the servant them go out which part the main road them there and gather up everybody where them find. Good people, bad people, everybody. Which part the wedding dinner when I keep? When full up with one bag of people when they done. When the king a come in now, to see who did it, him see one man when he have on no wedding clothes. So him say to him, say, friend, how you come in and no have on no wedding clothes? The man couldn't say a thing. Then the king tell the servant them we walk in at the house, say, tie up him hand and foot them and show him which party black like a middle night. They so them a go ball and grind them teeth, sake of the pain we a wax them. Cause a whole heap of people God call, but only one and two him pick. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.